Alright guys, get one challenge. You just enter the street and I'm waiting that they do. Now waiting they call soup under 1K. And on top food arena, we're picking one drum today with one fine CC way that they call Pamela. So on top of this episode, make una follow me as we go take cook soup under 1K. And the soup we want cook na Egusi soup. Make we see this one as they go.
How much be this cup?
200.
200. Pack and well, no cheat also.
No word, I will not cheat.
Go.
This one today, how much should?
How much? This one.
50-50.
That one is branded.
I'll do it for you.
We go do one.
Yes.
How much is it?
50-50.
Okay, so what are we buying again?
Fresh pepper. No but meat. Fresh pepper and meat. Maggi.
Okay, they are bringing it. Okay, fresh pepper and meat.
And garlic, no but meat.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much is that three?
One of 500 for yourself.
Uh,
Don't you do so?
meat they expensive. Why meat?
Don't give
no
us the one that has fat, give us pure meat.
Water will be disturbing them in this market.
This one na Egusi soup we wan cook. See wetin we buy for here. Everything we dey here now, at least e no reach 1,000. But at least make I just say na 1,000 naira. This one na my pepper, 50 naira. This one na my maggi, 50 naira. This one na my oil, 100 naira. This one na my salt, 50 naira. Ugu, 100 naira. And I get stockfish here, 100 naira. This one na crayfish, 50 naira. This one na egusi. Egusi soup we wan cook. And for here, if you go look am, this one na onions, 50 naira. And this one na our meat wey we go use chop the food. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. This food na one time food. You know dey waste time. And na wetin you go just cook sharp sharp, chop finish, make the pot empty. This one na our meat wey dey here. How much we buy am? Just 200. Alaroro people. Well, so as e don be now, so make we enter fire. See wey wan cook for me now, wetin we go do first?
First boil meat first.
Okay, now the meat will go first.
Yes.
Boil. After the meat will come.
Then go start the real cooking.
You will cook.
Yes. Small salt.
Small salt. A cube.
Yes.
Okay, so now we go wash our. Why would they wash the ugu?
To take out germs from it. But you will not wash it very well because you know they slice it.
Okay.
So if you wash it too much, it will do. You wash out the nutrients.
We will need to use hot water, wash am. Or they be say make I say wash. Make we just soak am with hot water for just 5 minutes. Put the oil for fire, make it fry for like 3 minutes before we go do any other thing. So now the oil don't dey fire first.
So we add our onion. Let it fry.
Add the crayfish. Okay, so like this now you go come put your egusi inside. This one are the meat. You go pour the meat.
The stockfish.
Put the stockfish. Put water first, and with this thing. You go add 2 cubes of Maggi.
Don't add too much. we're adding salt to taste.
So you go allow make it boil for like 15 minutes. Then later you go add your vegetable, maybe the ugu wey you buy. So like this now, I have to come put the ugu and at the final part of this. This in my bag.
Do you like it thick?
I like it thick. Okay, so this one I Egusi soup we prepare today on top food arena with Warri Pikin, and as an addition, now this sisi with the I beg show them this fine sisi. Now she assist me for the kitchen today, man. It is sweet, child. She tried just 1,000 naira. Now she take prepare this fine Egusi soup for me, man. I don't believe I'm sure, but at the end I believe I'm. So waiting I go just tell you where the house where they think say you dey broke, say it's 1K, you don't go fit cook. You fit cook? Can do it. So waiting I go tell you, and then make you help us subscribe to our channel.
Like our video.
And make you share to your friends.
Yes, follow us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
And waiting I will tell you now. Bye bye.
Bye.
Peace.
BattaBox.